guys, welcome back to KLS Videos. Today we are going to be folding a fire jet paper airplane. So let's get started. We fold this like this then, like that. Okay, crease it. Open it, crease these into there, into the center crease like that, and crease it. Now do that right there, and crease it. Now fold this like this, and crease it. Do that to the other side, crease it. And then you're gonna take this and then go like this. And then do this. And then do this on the other side. And then you're gonna go and do this, just like that. And do that, like that. And then do this, and do this, like this, and do this. Okay, now do that. Now do that. Okay, now fold this flap up like that, like this, and then you go to the other side and do this like that. Now fold these in and do that, crease it like this, and then you're gonna go fold the bigger, they're supposed to be bigger wings like this. Now you crease it and then do that to the other side, and then you crease it. Okay, then you open it and make sure these flat thingies are up when you fly it, and then there, done. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.